Free PayPal money sounds nice, but are there actually safe and legitimate ways to get it? It depends on your definition of free. No company will send you free PayPal money instantly just to be nice. But many, including PayPal itself, will pay you for doing things like downloading an app, testing a service, referring a friend, taking a picture of a grocery receipt, or scanning product barcodes. And while you'll never get rich completing these small tasks, you can earn a surprising amount of money with little effort. Today, I'm going to show you how to earn $500 online fast with PayPal in 2022. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Refer friends to PayPal. You can earn $10 directly from PayPal by sending just 1 cent to a friend that doesn't have an account. In total, you can refer up to 5 friends, earning a maximum of $50 in free PayPal money. In order to receive the referral bonus, your friend will have to link a bank account or a debit credit card to their newly created free PayPal account. In addition, they'll have to spend at least $5 via the account. Complete small online task with Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is another popular general reward site with a number of ways to earn. Our favorite are third-party offers, cashback shopping, and surveys. It offers a $5 welcome bonus, but has a minimum $30 cash out requirement. The site is owned and operated by the same company that runs Swagbucks. The primary difference between the two sites is their ease of use. Swagbucks is a colossal site with dozens of ways to make money, different goals to hit, challenges to meet, and a multitude of redemption options. Inbox Dollars is simpler and easier to navigate, has a more streamlined selection of offerings, and clearly shows a cash payout amount rather than points for every survey on the site. Similar to Swagbucks, the fastest way to earn is through offers. Often these require just a few minutes of your time and pay well. Surveys are another good bet for making real money on the site. For many activities, you'll earn credit towards the site's Scratch and Win game, which is a virtual scratch-off ticket, rather than a set dollar amount. As we demonstrated in our review, the Scratch and Win payouts tend to be very small and are not worth focusing on. If you go 10 days without logging into your account, or responding to at least one paid email, Inbox Dollars may deactivate your account, and you may lose any money you've accumulated up until that point. Payment methods: you can request a PayPal payment, choose from their selection of free gift cards, or opt for payment via paper check. Minimum withdrawal amount $30, regardless of which payout method you choose. Time to get paid: after you request your cash, it may take up to 16 days for InDollars to process your payment. Take online surveys with Prize Rebel. Prize Rebel is a free site that pays you to complete online surveys. You can sign up in less than 10 seconds, start completing surveys immediately, and earn points that are redeemable for PayPal cash. Prize Rebel tips: while almost every survey website offers a referral bonus, Prize Rebels is huge by comparison. You'll get 15 to 30% of your referral's lifetime earnings, depending on your account level. You can earn extra points by completing daily goals. Payment methods: get paid via PayPal, via gift cards to many of your favorite stores, through a direct deposit to your bank, or in Bitcoin. Minimum withdrawal amount: there is no minimum withdrawal amount, and some gift cards are available in increments as low as $5. You can also withdraw your earnings as Bitcoin starting at $5. Time to get paid: most users receive their rewards within 24 hours of redemption. Gold users, who have achieved a higher status on the site through consistent activity, get their rewards within 10 minutes. Refer friends to PayPal Crypto. Over the last few years, PayPal itself has offered numerous ways to earn free money. These offers come and go quickly, so you want to jump on them while you can. One of the company's long-running promotions is a general referral bonus where you can earn $10 per new PayPal user you send to the platform. The latest offer from the company is a promotion for its new cryptocurrency portal, where you can buy and sell Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin, all from within your current PayPal account. You can earn up to $50 relatively easily. Just refer a friend who must then buy $5 worth of crypto. When they do, you'll both earn $10. We rank this method ahead of the general referral bonus because we think it's easier to refer friends who are already on the platform. All they have to do is buy $5 worth of crypto, which takes about 30 seconds. They get a $10 bonus, and they can turn around and sell their crypto whenever they want. Complete money-making offers with Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular rewards and cashback site that offers a number of ways to earn free PayPal money, including watching short videos, searching the web, answering surveys, and getting rebates through its cashback shopping portal. In fact, there are over 20 different ways to earn points on the site, and to date, the company has paid out over $500 million in rewards to its members. The points you earn are redeemable for a PayPal deposit or gift cards, and you can get a $10 sign-up bonus when you join using this link. Out of all the earning methods, our favorite and the best use of your time is the site's Money Makers, which are offers where you can spend a little bit of money up front and get paid more in rewards than you spent. You can earn big with these offers, but there's often a 30 to 60 day waiting period for points to hit your account. Swagbucks tips. Earn bonus points for hitting weekly and monthly activity goals. In the app, you'll see a meter showing your progress towards your daily goal, as well as your 7, 14, 21, and 31 day targets. You can earn hundreds of extra points per month through consistent usage. Payment methods. Swagbucks allows you to redeem your points in a few different ways. You can choose to receive a PayPal deposit, select a gift card from dozens of major retailers, or use your points to enter swag stakes, which are sweepstakes for items like computers, video game consoles, and gift cards. Minimum withdrawal amount. Swagbucks has no minimum withdrawal amount, although most gift cards start at $3, 300 points. PayPal deposits are usually available in the amounts of $5, $10, $25, $50, $100, and $250. Also, it's important to note that Swagbucks will only deposit funds into a PayPal account with the same email address as your Swagbucks account. Time to get paid? You'll have to verify your account, which can take anywhere from 1 to 10 days once you're verified. It usually takes about 2 days to receive your rewards. Take online surveys with Survey Junkie. If you're looking for ways to get free PayPal cash fast, taking paid surveys through Survey Junkie is one of our top choices. When we ranked the best survey websites, Survey Junkie was one of the best options by far. It's a trusted survey site that allows you to exchange points for PayPal cash starting at just $5, making it possible to sign up and cash out today. And since most of the surveys on the site are quick and easy, it's a great option for people who only have a few minutes throughout the day. You can learn more about how the site works in our Survey Junkie review. Survey Junkie tips. When reviewing the list of available surveys, you can see both the payout and the estimated time required to complete the survey. The ones with the highest payouts may not be the best options. A survey that pays 100 points and takes 5 minutes is a better deal than one that pays 500 points but takes 45 minutes. Check the site for new surveys on a regular basis. Survey Junkie has a ton of members, and each survey has a maximum number of participants. Acting quickly means you're more likely to have access to the highest paying surveys. Payment methods. Survey Junkie pays via PayPal deposit, gift cards, or direct transfer to your bank account. Your PayPal account must be fully verified to cash out your Survey Junkie to your PayPal balance. Minimum withdrawal amount, 500 points, which is roughly $5 in value. Time to get paid. Survey Junkie is one of the few sites that offer instant points redemption, making it one of the best options when you need to make money quickly. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos and we'll see you in the next video.